Hello everybody and welcome back. Before we start, hit that subscribe button below. Thank you very much for doing that and supporting the channel. Well everybody, today we are going to create a subroutine here. This is a subroutine and that's called create directory. Okay, and we're going to put a path in here because we're going to create a directory on the desktop. So this is going to be my scalar path, and we're going to create this on the desktop. Remember, I'm on Windows, and remember guys, this path is for my own computer. If you type this path into your computer, it won't work. So you have to find out the path to your desktop. Okay, so the path to my desktop is users mark desktop. Okay, and then I'm going to use CHDIR, which is going to change the directory. I want to change the directory to the path above. Okay, so now I'm pointing at my desktop. Let me just push this up a little bit here. Okay, that's better. Right. Okay, so we're going to create some standard input because we want the user to input the name of a directory to create. So this is going to be directory. And that's going to be equal to standard input. Okay, and we're going to do the chomp underneath it. Okay, and then we're going to use this command called MKDIR, make directory. And we're going to make the directory that we entered into here, into the input box, so whatever you called it. Okay, and then we're going to print out a message to the user so they know what's happened. Directory created. Okay, and then all we're going to do now is call it. So let's say create directory. Here. Now we're just going to save it and we're going to run the program. Right, okay, what I'm going to do, I want to make that look better, so I'm just going to modify it a little bit. I'm going to print something in here, so that's going to be print enter name to create. Okay, so I just want to do that there. Okay, let's save that again. Let's run the program again. Okay, there we go. So we can see the prompt there. So I want to create a directory called Dave. Okay, strange name, but there you go. Hit enter. Directory created. Now let's see if we actually have created a directory. Okay, and there you go. It's on my desktop. Dave, Bob's your uncle, and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. And there you go. There's the code in all its glory. Remember, if you haven't done so already, hit the subscribe button. It helps the channel. Drop me a comment. Just say hello or whatever, and I will catch you guys in another video. Bye-bye.